This course is all about statistics along with the practical examples. In this course, the concepts are explained in a very crystal clear way, in a simplified and intuitive way, and there is a linkage from one topic to another so that you can understand why you are learning what you are learning. It should be easy and interesting to read as well as practice. In most of the sections, you will find that most often than not, I am talking first of the business scenarios, the business applicability, and then I am talking of the concepts, so that when you are reading the concepts, you can relate it to that where do you apply and how. I have a strong belief that seeing is believing, and this you will see almost in every chapter, every sections. You will find that a number of places I have done Excel simulation of concepts and then a recap of concepts so that you can understand what I have tried to show it to you through simulations, so that you can get a concretized learning. Also, all the Excels that I am using for the simulation and presentations are available to you for the download. In fact, my suggestion would be that you should download and do along with me when I am explaining you. You will see central limit theorem for mean and proportion from your own eyes to believe it. You will see the t distribution and how it is similar and dissimilar to normal distribution for various degree of freedom, again through simulation. You will see that how you conduct one tail, two tail, type 1, type 2 test, p-value calculation using Excel. We will use Excel to do various calculations and hypothesis test. We will discuss how to use categorical data and how to do categorical data analysis, chi-square and all those things using Excel. We will get into the detail of ANOVA, that what is the whole process of ANOVA, how does ANOVA work, why it works. And then we are also going to take a deep dive into non-parametric methods, its applicability, its calculations details and all those things. So essentially, where do you apply non-parametric, why do you apply, how do you calculate, how do you infer.